In this problem, there are n dishes from 1 to n. Dish I can be cooked by using an oven for Ti consecutive minutes. You have two ovens, and inside an oven you cannot cook two or more dishes simultaneously. Now you have to tell what is the shortest number of minutes you need to cook all the n dishes. Let's look at the constraints. The value of n is between 1 and 100, and the value of Ti is between 1 and 10 to the power 3. So the sum of all Ti will be at most 10 to the power 5. We can use this observation to our solution. Before we jump to our solution, let's recall the idea of a coin change DP variant. Suppose you are given p coins where coin I having an integer value vi. Now you are asked if we can make some value n by choosing some of these coins. Let's see how we can solve this problem. We will keep a 2D boolean array. Here dpij will be true if we can make value I using some of the first j coins, each one exactly once. Initially dp00 is true because 0 value requires no coin and it is always possible. The maximum value we can make is by taking all the coins and summing them up. Now we will iterate over all coins one by one. In each iteration we will traverse from 1 to max value and update the value of dpij. If dpij-1 is true, then dpij will obviously true. Otherwise, if dpi-vj-1 is true, which means that we can make value I-vj with first j-1 elements, then we can make value I with first j elements. This way we will be able to find which values we can make with the given coins. Now we will apply the similar idea to solve our discussion problem. Firstly, let's consider that we have only one oven. Now we will calculate the array dp where dpij will be true if it is possible to consume exactly I minutes by making some of the first j dishes. As now it has become the same problem as the coin change dp variation that we discussed earlier, so we can easily calculate array dp in the same way. Now in our problem we have two ovens. We have calculated which times are possible to consume for one oven. So for any possible amount of time for this oven, the rest of the time will be consumed by another oven. From all such possible cases, we will choose the minimum answer. The problem link and my solution code are in the description box. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.